Alright guys, we got another install for the Jeep. Today we're going to be working on the Adventure Trailer's propane mount for a Jeep JKU. As you can see here, the mount is made out of two pieces. The bracket that will attach directly to the hardtop and the bracket that will actually hold the propane bottle. I had to move to this bracket because I was originally carrying my propane tank on the top of the front runner rack using the front runner bracket, but when we mounted the Charlie hard shell, I lost the space for the propane bottle, so I had to find another place for it. And the best solution, after asking everybody online, was going with the AT Overland Bracket. So enough for me, let's get this thing on the Jeep. That was fairly simple. Tape it up, mark 4 holes, drill, and screw it on. Putting some holes in your hardtop could be a little nerve-wracking if you haven't done it before, but I did the front runner rack with my wife, and we put, I don't know, 16 holes in the hardtop, so we've just gotten kind of used to it. So, you know, take it easy putting the holes in, and just make sure you've got it exactly where you want it to go, and it's going to be fairly simple to put this on. Last question I've got is, what do you guys think about keeping it raw? Should I get it powder coated black? Should I leave it raw? I think it looks pretty cool. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Alright, so next up, all we got to do is get this mount up, see if these holes align. See that top hole. It's going to be close. Now again, this is a power tank propane mount. This is a AT Overland Bracket. AT Overland makes their own bracket. I ended up getting a power tank mount off Amazon, so I assume the holes would line up. If they don't, I might have to just modify this a little bit to get it on. Looks like it might just be the top 2 holes, but we're gonna find out here in a minute. Alright guys, so power tank mount is on. AT Overland propane mount bracket is on. Last thing to do here is test fit a 5-pound bottle. Make sure it all goes together well. Alright, so one of the things I think we're all going to see here is a lot of the complaints about this power tank bracket or mount is that this band is almost just the right size. So it takes a little bit of work to get it on here. We'll see. I'm about to find out how hard it is. That went on easy. I don't know what all the reviews online were talking about, but that was fairly easy. Let me move the camera around so y'all can see how this attaches. All right, so I'll loosen it up so you can see kind of how this works, but it's just a screw here on the end. Take it all the way to the end, squeeze it, and release it. So it goes on. This comes over, and you just tighten this down. Just as tight as you can get it. I'd say if I had to make any complaints about this mount, I would say there's no way to lock it down. So anyone really could swing by and take your 5-pound bottle, and they're not very cheap, so. There, that's that. That sucker ain't going anywhere, I don't think. Let's make sure my glass closes. Moment of truth. Oops, gotta open my tailgate all the way. All right, so I gotta rotate the latch. Let's do that now. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to loosen up the bracket and everything because the band is being pressed against the bracket on the Jeep. Yeah, let's get out of it. Last thing to do is put this little red stopper here on the end. Make sure my glass closes. Perfect. And we're done. I think that looks awesome. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for today. This was super easy. Anyone could do this. It's an awesome solution to carry propane on a Jeep. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find this content helpful. I couldn't find any videos like this online, so I went ahead and shot it. Again, if you guys could like, subscribe, comment, all of that would really help the channel. I enjoy making the content, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Thanks again. Bye.